Good morning students, welcome back to the class. So before moving ahead, I want to say you about SMS. We are already known, let us repeat what is SMS. S is social distancing, M is mask and S is soap. So what is this? We should maintain physical distance. We should wear mask whenever we are going out or at home, and we should use soap to clean our hands. So do use this SMS in your day-to-day life. Now one more thing, please don't trouble your parents, listen to them, have a good enjoying day. Yes. So now let us move to our class. So before moving, let us see what we have learned. So in the last session what we have learned, we have done our exercise 2.1. Hope you all have done your homeworks. Now in this video we are going to start with our exercise 2.2. Okay. Now this exercise 2.2 is based on both Indian and international system. Fine. I request everyone to open their classwork, term book and pencil. Page number 112. Open page number 112. So write down complete heading of your first bit in your classwork. I hope you have written. Let us see what is. Write the number names of the following numbers according to the international place value system. See, if they did not mention anything, then we will write in Indian form. But if they want us to write in international, they will mention in the question itself. So here also they are telling us, write the number names of the following numbers according to the international place value system. Now they have given a number, we have to write the number names in international place value system. See 4, 5, okay, in first bit 4, 5, 1, 7, 3, 0, 1. Now in this question they did not mention any commas or anything, right? So firstly we will place commas according to international place value system. Now what is international place value system? We have 3 periods, right? That is ones, thousands and millions. In each period there were 3 places: ones, thousands, 100, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million and 100 million. Now according to that, if we place commas, that is starting to the right, we will place a mark, comma after every 3 digits. Now let us write the given number again. Now let us write the place values: ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000. Here 100,000. Whereas in international Indian system, we don't have 100,000. Right? Next is million. Now if you place commas, see, now after 3 digits there is a comma. Now easily we can write our in words. Now 4 is in millions place. So how we will write? 4 million. We have done our first highest place. Next is 5 is in 100,000 place. So 500. What we said, the last 2 digits will write it once. So 17,500, 17,000. And what is here? Now 3 is in hundreds place. So 300, 1. See how easily we have done? First we have written the given number, then we have placed down commas according to international place value system, then we have written in number names. So this is how we should write. Now let us see the next one. Okay, let us write with B, because B and C are similar to A. So what is that question here? 9, 7, 8, 5. Again, there is no comma, they have given the number. Now what we will do? Firstly, we will write the given digit. 9, 7, 8, 5, 7, 9, 8, 3, 2. Now what is the next step? To write the international place values here. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. This is one period, one row. Next is million, 10 million and 100 million. Now if you place commas, this 3 goes in one place. There are 3 persons going in one row. So comma after first 3 digit, again comma after first 3 digit. Now easily we have placed the commas. Now we will write in number names. Now see, 9 is in 100 million place. So 978 million. These 3 digits are in only one row, one period, that is million period. So how will we write? 978 million. Now we have done our first row, 978 million, first period. Now let us see now again 5 is in 100 place. So 579, 579. Now this complete 3 digits are under thousands too. So 1000. Now 579, these 3 digits are under thousands per row. So 579,000. Next is 832. 832. This is how we write the given number in International Place Value System. First step is to write the given number, then place the commas according to the periods, then to write in words. So A, related to A, they are B and C, those are similar to A, and related to E, that is E and F. D, E and F. Okay. Now I hope you have written your first bit. Let us move to our second bit. See what is the question they have given. Second bit we can do in our term book itself. So open page 112. Write numerals for the following numbers and place commas correctly. Now they have given in number names. We will see the number name and then we will write in number. Okay. First one, 97 lakh. 97 lakh. 53,000. 53,015. Now see what we will see. Before writing we should see which is the highest place. Now if you see highest place is lakh period. But here they have given 97. This is not only 7 lakh. 97. So we will write the place value still 10 lakhs. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh and 10 lakh. So now let us place the digit 97 lakhs. So 97 will go under lakh period. We have written our first two digits. Now we have placed comma. There is 53,000. So 53 will go under thousands period, thousands room. Now we have placed comma, but there is no digit given under 100 or tens. Directly they have given 53,015. So there is no digit at 100. You will write 0. 15. 15 means 1 will go under tens place and 5 will go under ones place. See how easily we have written? First step is to check which is the highest place. Then write the place values. Then place the digit. Okay. So similar way you can complete that first, second bit. Okay, now let us move to our third bit. See what is the question? Rearrange the commas according to the International Place Value System. Again they have mentioned to rearrange according to International Place Value System. The question is given in Indian Place Value System. Okay. So first is 76. Now the given number is in Indian Place Value System. Now how to know this is Indian? There is a comma after 2 digits. When this happens, it only happens in our Indian Place Value System. International we have comma after every 3 digits. But here there is a comma after every 2 digit. Firstly, let us count how many digits are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 digit. We have 9 places in international. Right? Let us write it. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, and lastly 100 million. Now let us try to place the digit from the right side. 4. 4 goes in ones period. 2. 8. Now this room is filled. Please count. Next. 6. 8. Again 6 will come. Here after 2 digit, right? But in international we have a comma after 3 digit because here extra place is there, that is 100,000. Now we will place comma. Again 7, 9, 8. Now you can see the difference. Here it is 89, but here it is 897. Now we have written, now let us write in number name. So 897 million. 897 million. Now we have done the first place. Now next place is 6 is in 100,000 place. So 686,000. 86,000. Again now 8 is in 100 place, so 824. 824. See, firstly they gave in Indian form, we have converted into international form, then we have written in number names. In international number system, please do remember that after every 3 digit there will be a comma. Okay. So similar way, let us try the next E. This is still 10 lakhs, right? This is a 7-digit number. Now let us convert it into international. Now in international, how we will write? So this is 7-digit number means ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million and 10 million. Now if you place the digit from the right side, 0, 4, 1, 9, 9, 0, 7. So till million only. Now if you place commas after 3 digits. So 7 million, there is no value at 100. So this is 0. So 99,140. Let us write in words. 7 million. 140. So what we have done? We have written first in international place value system, then in words. So similar way, try to complete this third bit. Now moving to the fourth bit, fill in the blanks. So 1 crore equals to dash lakhs. First one is 1 crore dash lakhs. How many lakhs you want to make it 1 crore? You want 100 lakhs to make it 1 crore. You want 100 lakhs to make it 1 crore. Next is 1 trillion dash billion. Now where this trillion comes in? International system. So 1 trillion dash billion. Trillion is a bigger value than a billion. So 1000 billions you require to make 1 trillion. You require 1000 billions to make it 1 trillion. Next, dash lakhs 1 million. This is very easy, but many people mostly get confused. We think million is the very biggest, but 10 lakhs only will help us to form 1 million. So 10 lakh 1 million. Okay. Now if you see here 100 lakh is 1 crores, but 10 lakh will help us to form 1 million. Next, dash million 1 crores. Dash millions 1 crores. Now how many million we want to make 1 crore? See, simply 1 crore is 100 lakhs. 1 crore is 100 lakhs. We want how many millions? We want 1 crore, right? 1 crore is 100 lakhs. 100 lakh. We know this. We want millions. How many millions? If you see, 10 lakh will make us 1 million. If you multiply 10 into 10, 10 tens are 100. Now 100 lakh. But actually this 10 is what? This 10 is 1 million. We want how many millions? So it is 10. Already 1 million is 10 lakh. Right? So if you add 10, now if you have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 and 100. So how many we want? 10 million makes 1 crore. Okay. Next is 1 lakh. How many? 10,000. Dash 10,000. In 1 lakh, how many thousands we have? 100,000. But here they have given already 10. So I want 100. Already they gave 10. If I multiply 10 into 10, I get 100. So how many I want? I want 10,000 rupees to make 1 lakh. Okay. Next, last is dash million, 1 billion. Dash million. How many millions do we want to make it 1 billion? Here 1000 billion is making 1 trillion. We want 1 billion. How many we will get? 1 million. 1 billion equals to how many millions? That is, we want 1000 millions to make 1 billion. With this we have done with our 4th bit. So next 5th, 6th bit we will do in our next class. Hope it is very clear, students. Do complete all the bits in your classwork. Thank you for paying more concentration. Have a good day. Thank you.